Ready? Hello.
Hello.
We're here at the Dragon Miniature Railway today, aren't we, Noah?
Yeah.
Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, hang on tight now. Off we go. Are you alright, Noah? Phone there. Is that okay? Okay. You okay? Hey? Yeah. Yeah. Hey? Yeah. Are you enjoying it? Yeah. Good boy. La 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 la. La 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 la. You all right, Noah? Getting attacked by the plants again, aren't we? Oh no, it's the Christmas tunnel now, look already. What? Maybe. Oh look, it's a part. I think it's a Father Christmas playing the saxophone. And penguins. Are you enjoying this, Noah? I am. This would be a nice little film, won't it, for the YouTube channel? Play area's covered in leaves, isn't it? Okay? We'll see if it's coming out. Or not. Get in the roll now. Yeah, but the steamy might be running. Might be, so we'll see. Should we go and have a look in the shop? Yeah.
Oh, it's not backwards.
Look at all the steam. Did you like that, Noah? I know. Well, that's what it does. There's steam engines. Well, you've seen big steam engines now, haven't you? As well as these.
Yeah, yes.
Flying Scotsman.
Yeah.
Sierra Leone. You saw Standard 4 at Berry. Yeah?
And I like the little train.
Yeah, and you like the little trains. Well, there are little trains bigger than these ones in Wales.
But there's that one. Look into Wally. It's not. The train's not falling down.
No. No crashes. No crashes.
There's no diesel.
I've got a bit of salt on my hand already.
There's no diesel.
Yeah, looks like it.
No diesel coming that way. No diesel coming that way. No diesel
Yeah.
coming that way. No diesel coming
Yeah,
that way. No that one
Yeah.
coming that way.
It's alright.
What is that one?
It was the drill by now.
What is going that way?
I'm getting steam in my face. You get used to it, I do. Woo! Tell Mummy there's a Christmas tunnel.
Are we going in the woods?
Yeah, Father Christmas. We'll have to come and see Father Christmas, won't we? Oh wow. See, look, all this up already. It's nice. Aye, we will. Aye. Yeah. I know, we saw them three. It's only a short one anyway. Endless amounts of snowmen and a teddy. And even Hillary's got some lights on them. There was a robin on there before, I managed to get it on video. just flew on the fencing there and it opened up the sign. It really added to the sign.
Look at that one.
Yeah, it went everywhere, didn't it? Oh look, there's Grandma. In the car, wave to Grandma. Oh look, there's a little doggy there now, look. Oh no, we're gonna go now. We've been round twice. Right?
Scotsman, he's not coming out.
Flying Scotsman won't be here for a bit. It's due at Manchester Victoria next month,
right,
you know.
Stand back now, because it's coming.
Here comes the other Santa special.
Cece, you alright, babes?
Stand back now. Right, driver, when you're ready.
Off we go. Oh. 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 Yeah. I thought we were doing a Flying Scotsman then. It wasn't gonna go. Yeah, he's fine. Well, he's good. He hangs on to the coach. What are you looking at, Noah? Oh, you're looking at the coupling? Hey? Yeah.
It's very bumpy.
Is it?
Yeah.
The man is driving the train. He's looking at the couplings. Have you got the ticket?
Yeah.
Got a bit of soot in my eye now. A bit of soot just went in my eye. Hey, you've not waved at any of the cars, Noah. Oh, they're over there. Wave. 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 I can only wave with one because I've got my phone in my hand. The old filming technique, you wave like mad. How I do it with the trains. Busy. For the Father Christmas special. They're running two, I think they're running two Father Christmas specials and then just one regular train, which is fair enough. Because that's why that one's not got so many coaches, because Western Champion will have 3. This has got 3. So that one's only got 2 of the, I think it's 2 of the Pullman ones. I've just forgotten that what way it was. I think it was a Pullman one. Yeah. And there's those 3 penguins again that we saw earlier on. Yeah, so what I think I might do is I might use the footage from November and then insert a photo for this, so that there's 2 videos into one for like a final kind of run. But I've got that much footage from here, it can make its own collection video, so that's all, I'll be quite pleased. Yeah, well they'll open all that back up again, won't they? But it won't be open for a while yet. That one looks like Frank Sinatra. That one. Oh, we are going through. Maybe because they just run us through. Lord knows. Yeah, that's because they set the points, because we've got the Santa train behind us.
Welcome, dads, mums, aunties, uncles, grandmas, granddads, nanas, and the children.
Did you see Santa, Noah?
Yeah.
What did he say?
We rolled straight through because they've set the line for the thing.
How was that? We were going all that way.
No, it'll go through the. No, we went through. No, because I've actually not seen that one run for a bit. That one. I've seen this one. This one's been out fairly recently.
It's
So
a
you're going to
train.
see Santa after all.
And you go on the gas.
Yeah, look, quick, here comes the diesel. Going to see Father Christmas.
You ready?
Off goes the diesel. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It's doing this one now.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Mum? Wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Off we go. Round we go again for the second time.
It's buttered me.
Yeah, did it?
Oh, you ready? Mom.
Well,
You ready? Ready? Yeah. Okay.
go.
Go.
What date are we on today? What date are we on today? Oh. 20th. Well, how long till Christmas now? Good God, where does that go? I think I'm the tallest one in the carriage, aren't I? So I'm getting all the steam in my face. Are you waving to the cars, Noah? Wave. Wave to the cars. Wave to the cars. Noah, wave. You're supposed to wave. Wave to the cars. Or don't wave to the cars. Leave me out on that one. Thank you. I'll wave to them instead. They all... Do it again. What did you say? Oh no, the diesels aren't running. They're running Father Christmas trains. But we haven't got time to see Father Christmas, do we? We're going in the garden centre after this. Go and have a look at some decorations. And there's the other Father Christmas tray. The other one's waiting there, look. Oh, I forgot the railway that run it, but they run a train called Polar Express, and I think they're using a manor or a hall. I think, anyway. I'll have to check, because I saw a picture. It's all the way there. It's the railway down south, so we'll have a bit of a job. No. Oh yeah, I'll send you the dates. Yeah. Because I found them on my laptop, and then last night I forgot to do it. What? I'm going to put my phone on your head in a minute because you're blocking the view of the train. We can't, it's closed. They've closed it. Because it's closed. Because it's too cold to be. Yeah, we'll soon be singing about these. And the teddy, and the train that's got Christmas lights on it. See, we're not going to there now because the Santa Special's in there, so we've been switched round this way now.